Students, today I am telling summary of chapter first from English course book, Was It a Dream? Class 4th. Chapter first, Was It a Dream? Before telling the summary of this chapter, I want to say something about this chapter. In this chapter, you will be able to connect your dream with your life. Have you ever wondered how fascinating dream we used to see while sleeping? Sometimes you go to fairy tale, sometimes flying in the air castle, etc. Just imagine a dream and try to describe and draw it. Now, the summary of this chapter. This story is about two siblings. Siblings means real brother and sister, Rita and Frank. They both went to forest to collect some wild flowers and Frank wanted to catch fishes. After collecting the flowers, Rita felt tired, but Frank wanted to catch fishes now. Rita asked her brother to have some rest, but he didn't accept her advice because he wanted to catch the fishes now. Rita knew very well about her brother that he won't rest until he catches a splendid fish. Therefore, she lay down upon the bank and wait for her brother. After some time, she felt very sleepy. Then she had a strange dream. She looks in the water and that was very clear. She can see and hear everything in the water. She heard the little voices coming up from the water. Many small groups of fishes have gathered around the Frank's line when he hung a tempting piece of bait. Students, bait means the food offered for the fishes to catch them. A small fish asked his mother about the trap. Mother, what is trap? Then she told her son about the trap, about the dangers from the trap, and warn all the small fishes that don't go near the trap, don't be greedy because that is a plan to catch us. What the small fishes wanted to eat that worm. So, he avoided his mother's advice and tried to swallow that worm, that insect, and he caught in the fishing line. He called her mother for help. His all friends and mother came around him, all came around the Frank's line and caught hold of the little fish's tail and tried to make him free. Rita was very excited to know what happens next. Meanwhile, Rita, out from the dream, she jumped up from the bank. Then she saw the Frank's smile. He was very happy because he got a splendid catch. He got a splendid fish. His line was very heavy. On that time, a sound came, splash. Students, meaning of splash in Hindi is छपाक. मीन्स पानी में किसी चीज के जोर से गिरने की आवाज. And Frank's line was become free and he fell down on his back. When Rita saw the Frank in that funny moment, she started laughing. Frank was very upset because he lost his splendid catch. Now Rita was thinking about her dream. She thought, was it a dream? Could her dream have been become true? What? She felt sorry for her brother because he lost his splendid catch and that little fish had got free. Okay, student, I hope you all have understood the summary of this chapter.